Welcome to the Rattle Tree School of Marimba!
2, 3, 4.
Hi, my name is Joel LaViolette, and I'm the director of the Rattle Tree School of Marimba. Rattle Tree is a community music school dedicated to teaching traditional Zimbabwean marimba. Our students make up the bands that play our concerts, school assemblies, and events. We welcome Austinites from all walks of life. Everyone is welcome. We especially encourage our Austin-based Zimbabwean community members who want to stay connected to their culture and music. And there's no experience needed to play. A big part of our work is with schools, including the Texas School for the Blind. We built them a full set of marimbas in 2012, and their music teachers work with us to teach their students. Rattle Tree has organized hundreds of concerts and hands-on workshops in schools, universities, and public spaces. We've performed at major Austin festivals like ACL and South by Southwest, and we bring the music into everyday places like Central Market, and we frequently perform at Sahara Lounge's Africa Night. We've received recognition for our work with 2 Austin Music Awards for Best World Music, 2 City of Austin proclamations, and the Esme Barrera Award for Music Education and Activism. We're also proud to be on the Texas Commission on the Arts touring roster. With this grant, we'll host 3 community concerts and hands-on workshops at Casa de Luz. Each event will center the local Zimbabwean community, students and families from the Texas School for the Blind, and people visiting Austin. This series will give people an opportunity to connect with traditions that are too often overlooked in Austin's music scene. Thank you.